Well guys, what an absolute battle that was to get that undone. I mean, to be fair, what I should have done was add a proper tool, but I managed to do a little bit of a bodge. Anyway, the issue was, there it is in there. Let's get it focused again. I've got to do this manually because there's an Allen key in there, basically. Allen key bolt. Now, if I had the right tools, it would have been a lot easier. But what I've done is managed to get some mold grips on the bottom bracket here, holding that bush in place. Mold grips were a pain, they wouldn't grip, so I had to tape them up, but I've now got it undone. So hopefully the next piece will be to take her apart, have a look and see what's going on. Right, let's get this bush out. It's easy enough. So that is literally what it is. Interesting. Pop the other one out. Right, so you've got metal bushes. So are tapered. While I'm doing that, I'm going to take the back wheel out. What I'll do, that will release the pressure, the weight on this. Just need to release that. I'll do this bolt here. Turning it should make it easier to get it out. Everything else is coming out. Oh, that's handy. Ah, that's good. Don't need to undo that, I'll just loosen it. Because what's happened now is that's put that screw back in there. It's now released it where I wanted it released. So now I can have a look and see what we've got inside, which it looks alright. Cut the smaller metal bushes. So if I can see it, there you go. Yeah, that's what we've got. I thought there was bushes inside of this, but I can't seem to find any. Only agrees. Which ain't a bad thing. So I'm not quite sure what's worn out, unless it was that little metal bush. Or it's just the frame itself. Don't know if these wear. Don't know if these wear out, which could be the cause of it. I don't know. I don't know, it has me stumped, but one thing, don't know where you get these from, apparently you can get them from Halfords, being a Halfords bike. I don't know. Oh, look, my camera's going to fall over now. Right guys, well, took it apart. Right, there you go guys. I've not seen any videos on the Saracen Raw2 about this with the swing arm bushes. Let's get zoom focused in on that. There you go. So in that bottom bracket, or the swing arm bracket, is 2 nylon bushes. There's the other one, just switched them over. As you can see, I think that's worn out a bit. So I think that was the issue with the wobbly swing arm. I know I looked up on a few forums, somebody had mentioned it, but let's get that zoomed back in again. There you go. Yeah, basically where the I forgot the name of it now. Where the chain ring is, just in front of there, is the bracket that these fit into. So they do look. They've obviously got some dirt in them at some point, and it's worn them out a bit. Oh yeah, that's worn out quite a lot this side. As you can see, hang on a minute, let's focus in on that. Yeah, see, it's worn out a bit. All that dark in there, I've cleaned it off with WD-40. Cleaned all the grease off it. There you go, that. Yeah, it's obviously got some dirt in there at some point, and it's worn it, hence creating the wobble on the rear swing arm. So it looks like I'm going to have to see if I can get some more parts for it. Yes, because that wobble, even though it was very small here, the play was very small in this area, once you transfer it to the back here, that back wheel was moving quite a significant amount. Yeah, they've got a lot of wear on those. I'm going to have to see if I can get some new bushes. Anyway, I'm going to clean it up a bit more, and I'll have to get some. Sprayed it with a bit more WD-40 just to break down the grease in there, clean it out. Obviously guys, that'll be re-greased when we put it back together. It's a good cleaning agent this is, to get any grease off anything. LED cleans it up nice. Gunk in there, I'm not got a little metal ring that fits in the middle. Give that a clean off. Feels like aluminium. Yeah. That's degreased. So we've got a little alloy spacer. Put that back in the tray so I don't lose it. And then these were the main pieces that I was trying to remove, which act like a clamp. I don't think these need replacing, these just hold the swing arm in place. Yeah. So they pinch together and hold those bushes in place. There you go, that cleans up well with that. There you go. That's that bush. Yeah, so that will fit on the drivetrain side, which the bolt goes through. And then this one is threaded and sits on the non-drive side. Give that a bit of a clean as well. Clean it all off. It does look a little bit worn, but I think the bushes, that's why the bushes fit on there, to compensate for it. It might be this, I don't know. I damaged it a little bit inside, but that doesn't matter. As long as that surface is fine. It's a little bit rough, but it's slightly tapered as well. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Yeah, it's just, oh there you go, no, you can see it there, it's tapered here. So that's, when it pushes into the bushes, it tightens it up. Let's see, where'd I put the bushes? But what will happen is, that little piece fits in the centre. So it's got a little bit of play on it. Well, I don't think that's anything to do with it. Right. Those two pieces fit together. Like that. So you have a little alloy bush in the middle. Yeah, see, the alloy bush in the middle. And then that pinches up tight together with the bolt through. Like that. I don't know if you see me put that together then. Let's put that there. There you go. Okay, so your two bushes will sit like that, which there's a significant gap in there, which would tell me, well, yeah, even more so the other side, which tells me that those bushes are very well worn. So that's why we've got the movement. There you go. That was the problem. So those bushes need replaced. There you go. Those little bushes there need replacing. So I'm going to have to see if I can get some. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Well guys, just to sum up, I managed to bodge it at the moment with a bit of what was it, PVC tape. Hang on. Put a little bit of that just around the inside of the bushes, until I can get some proper bushes for it. So it seems to have taken the wobble out of it, which has only just worn down millimetres, if that, millimetres. So just those few little millimetres on there, it was giving it the too much play. So it's tightened it up anyway. We're going to get some proper bushes for it and I'll replace them next time. For now I'm not going to ride it hard. Probably go for a leisurely ride tomorrow. Try and get the wife out there as well. Anyway guys, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button and enjoy riding.